Hello, Python Web Conference folks. I'm super excited to be joined with Julia Simon today. She is going to be one of our speakers at Python Web Conference 2022 coming up here in March. Julia, can you give us a quick intro on who you are?
My name is Julia Simon. I am a community builder and an HR professional, and I talk about burnout, mental health, and wellness.
What are you going to be talking about at Python Web Conference?
I'm going to be talking about my burnout experience, my burnout and depression and mental health, and how we can, what that looks like, what it can look like, what it looked like for me, and also sort of a couple of tips and tricks that I've learned over the course of that experience so that hopefully other people can benefit from those.
I can't imagine what it's like to talk about that then with just thousands of people across the world. I mean, how does that come about?
It's actually something that has made me the person that I am. So I've gotten that comment a lot, like, wow, it takes a lot of guts to do that. So for me, it's something that I believe the business world is lacking. We don't often talk about mental health. Now a little bit more, maybe because of COVID, but I think that it's something that really needs to start being more discussed and more normalized in our world, and especially in the tech industry.
You're also going to do a special social session with us. You want to give us a little teaser for that too?
I'm going to walk folks through very simple breathing exercises and body movement exercises. The smallest little thing can make you feel so much different, much better and so much calmer. So it's something that I really look forward to sharing with everybody.
You'll be with us for the conference. What are you looking forward to during the conference?
So I really appreciate the fact that there are lots of talks that are about either career development or sort of like what we call like the softer skills, this being one of them. But I really appreciate that about the lineup of talks that you've all put together.
Thanks for being with us, Julia.